he's digging the boat out. You know, they're just waiting for the water to come in. So he's hanging out. This is called a longtail. Longtail. Why? Because you see the propeller there? He's going to flip that around once he gets out. And it's going to go way behind the back of the boat. So here's 3 in a row. This is a little village here. And this canal just kind of goes up and winds around to the other side, to the left there. And then right out in front, there is a restaurant there. So you have some seafood, fresh seafood. Here comes some guys going to help him. They have a tool. So they're going to help him out. He said, I don't want to do this job. Okay, here we come. So they're taking it all down.